And builders music not normal. Yeah, right now we have a next builders member to introduce to you. He's the youngest member of builders. I want to waste time because all are intelligent. Yes, look at that, step cross. Talk to you there. This young man here, take a good look at him. This young man here is the son of Diabalan Ferran. His name is Diabalan Ferran Jr. So this is a Diabalan Ferran. You understand? Ramp with Dia. Alright. Yeah, I'm Junior. I'd like to ask a very important question. And if you may, you can take a time before you even answer. And I know you don't even need to do that. So how brilliant you are. I would like to know, what do you think about Builders music? What type of view do you have on Builders music? The type of music that buildersmusic.com put out in the world for people to listen to. As a young Dia, I'd like you to explain to me and to the rest of the world and to Chi Ching Ching what type of music you think builders produce and put out. What type of music?
Well, it's positive music still enough. Some positive reggae music. And we're not in no negative thing. And a builders launch out thing. A positive music, no negativity. So that me I say.
So may I tell you, same thing. The man even put me in a suspense because I never know say me don't answer them kind of way. They don't know no plan or setup. Because we not join Rasta no set up things. You understand? Things just happen naturally. The overs, yeah. So right now, we have a whole heap of artists line up now. For interviews, for views and reviews, for moods and grooves. You know what I mean? Because as I say, we're not normal. And you know see nothing yet. Because we're not even get mad yet. In a Chi Ching Ching. Yeah, you feel wild if them strong enough. Because mad thing.